Bango. So if you're looking for a men's perfume or like mahilig ka sa mga amoy panlalaking perfume, you must want to try this. Hey guys, it's me Vanji and I'm just going to show you the Memoria perfume. So I have here the Memoria perfume and if you're new here, I have two and pangatlo na to. So I have here the first kiss, ito pang babae to. And also I have this one, just woke up, pang babae din to. And then just want to try lang yung panlalaki na lang scents and that is why I have here the fresh from the bath. So this one, ito panlalaki to. Pero I think I can say na pwede siya for girls. If may mga babae dyan out there na gusto na medyo pang men's yung amoy nila, I can recommend this one kasi very, very light lang yung scent niya. And, you know, para ka lang talagang kakaligo lang. Ganun yung amoy niya. And that is why I think ganun din yung pangalan ng pabango na to. So, meron siyang scent notes na neroli, water, then musk. And this is a Eau de Perfume. So, I recommend this for you guys na gustong mag-try ng medyo light-light na panlalaki ng amoy. And if gusto nyo, or regalo sa boyfriend o kaya sa mga tatay nyo, I would recommend this one kasi pwede siya for everyday use and super light-light nga lang ng amoy niya. Bango.